Hi, Agent Bosco here, broker with Sotheby's International Realty Canada. I'm so excited to show you this beautiful, professionally renovated unit overlooking Bloor Street. When I say renovated, I mean everything was stripped to the studs and concrete.
Rosedale Glen is located in the Yorkville neighborhood, with Yonge and Bloor a few blocks east, where you'll find high-fashion glitz and glamour. From boutique shops to world-class luxury brands, from hip restaurants to trendy bars and Four Seasons 5-star hotel, there's truly no other place like it. This expansive 2-bedroom plus solarium 1,900 square foot unit is renovated top to bottom. From the moment you step inside, you'll instantly be impressed by the suite's high-end finishes, which include floor-to-ceiling windows, Brazilian slate tile flooring, marble bathroom, LED lighting, and custom-built closet organizers throughout. In addition, the suite boasts European-style kitchen with eat-in island, quartz countertops, stylish backsplash, pantry, wine fridge, and a large breakfast area. Huge open-concept living room and dining room with custom-built cabinetry and floor-to-ceiling windows are an entertainer's dream. Large solarium with south views is a perfect space for an office. One of the highlights of the suite is a large primary bedroom with a marble bathroom boasting double vanity, rain shower, heated towel rack, and a walk-in dressing area. Resort-style amenities are designed for a lifestyle that Rosedale and Yorkville residents seek and include 24-hour concierge, fitness center with gym, indoor pool, hot tub, party room with wraparound terrace overlooking Rosedale Valley, a popular tree-filled spot perfect for jogging or a bike ride. 278 Bloor St E is in between two subway stations, making it easy to travel throughout the entire GTA with quick access to the Don Valley Parkway, Highway 401, and the Gardiner Expressway.